Differentiate the following problems. Okay, well, looking at this, I have been trained to see this as something, something, something to the ninth power. And so when you're asked to differentiate it, your first step is kind of ignore what's inside it and just say, okay, something to the ninth power, the derivative is 9 times whatever that something is to the eighth power. That's where we begin. Now the chain rule says, now that you've done that, tell me more about this something. Well, the something is 5x cubed minus x. That goes in this space. And the chain rule says, now differentiate that something and multiply that onto the end here. So the derivative of 5x cubed minus x will be 15x squared minus 1. And other than switching the order, I don't see anything important that I could do to clean this up, so I'm just going to leave it right there. That's not a bad place to stop. Let's see what happens with this other one. It's pretty much the same idea. Excuse me. If we have y equals x squared minus 2x to the half power, at first we see that as y equals something to the half. And so its derivative is 1/2 something to the minus 1/2. Now, what was that something? X squared minus 2x. That goes here. And we have to do its derivative. 2x minus 2, that should be. Now, I'm not going to stop there because I can't resist this. If you take 1/2 and distribute it through 2x minus 2, the halves and the 2's cancel out, and it's just wonderful, and I just want that to happen, so let's do it. Half times 2x is x, half times minus 2 is minus 1, and then we get our somewhat messy minus 1/2 term. And there we are.